Meaning of gentlemanly.
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 Gentlemanly. Gentlemanly is an adjective used to describe behavior that is characterized by politeness, consideration, and respect, especially towards women. It connotes traits such as chivalry, courtesy, and refined manners, which were traditionally associated with upper-class men. Being gentlemanly implies honorable conduct in social or business situations, and a willingness to adhere to a code of ethics. The term has evolved to include a broader range of behaviors, such as being gracious, thoughtful, and empathetic. In essence, gentlemanly embodies qualities that reflect a high standard of character and personal integrity.